Hey everyone, the Xiaomi 17 Max feels like Xiaomi's answer to a growing problem in the flagship smartphone market. Many premium phones are starting to look and feel too similar. Instead of simply increasing the screen size or tweaking the camera layout from last year's model, Xiaomi appears to have rebuilt the concept around three priorities that matter most to power users today: battery endurance, sustained performance, and camera flexibility. The biggest headline feature is easily the massive 8,000 mAh battery, and honestly, it changes the entire personality of the phone. Most flagship devices still hover around the 5,000 mAh mark, while even gaming-focused models rarely go beyond 6,500 mAh without becoming extremely bulky. In real-world usage, the Xiaomi 17 Max could easily become one of the best endurance-focused flagship phones available. Heavy users who constantly stream video, play games, edit photos, navigate with GPS, or multitask across multiple apps may finally get a device that comfortably lasts beyond a full day without battery anxiety. The display also sounds significantly more advanced than what Xiaomi has used previously. The 6.9-inch flat panel immediately positions the phone as a large-screen flagship designed for media consumption, gaming, and productivity. If Xiaomi's claims hold up in real-world testing, this could become one of the most efficient flagship displays currently available. That matters more than people realize, because high refresh rate OLED screens are one of the biggest battery drains in modern smartphones. Visually, the Xiaomi 17 Max appears to continue Xiaomi's recent design language while refining it into something cleaner and more premium. The rounded, square Leica camera module integrated into the rear panel gives the device a more seamless appearance compared to the oversized floating camera islands seen on many competing phones. The camera system itself may end up being one of the most important upgrades Xiaomi has introduced in years. The 200-megapixel main sensor paired with Leica branding suggests Xiaomi is heavily targeting photography enthusiasts again. The extra resolution also gives Xiaomi more flexibility with digital zoom. Instead of relying entirely on aggressive AI sharpening, the camera can crop into high-resolution images while preserving finer detail. The supporting cameras also sound properly balanced rather than feeling like filler additions. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor should allow for high-quality landscape and architectural shots without the dramatic quality drop that cheaper ultra-wide cameras often suffer from. Meanwhile, the 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom should give the phone strong portrait and medium-range zoom capabilities. Performance should be another major strength. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is expected to be one of the most powerful mobile chipsets released this year, and pairing it with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage should make the Xiaomi 17 Max exceptionally fast in everyday usage. Xiaomi launching the phone first in China is not surprising, but international buyers will likely be hoping for a wider release, considering how competitive the hardware package appears to be. Based on everything revealed so far, the Xiaomi 17 Max has the potential to become one of the most complete Android flagships Xiaomi has ever produced. It combines extreme battery capacity, flagship-level camera hardware, cutting-edge display technology, and top-tier performance into a device that seems designed specifically for heavy users who want a phone capable of handling absolutely everything without compromise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.